Unclogging drains, a necessity of home maintenance. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our lesson series on everyday conversational English, focusing on home maintenance and repairs. Today's topic is unclogging drains. This task, while not the most glamorous, is something we all must face in maintaining our homes. Let's learn how to talk about it in English. We'll start off by learning some common words and phrases related to unclogging drains. Drain, a hole that liquid can go down. Clog, a blockage in the pipes preventing water from going down. Plunger, a tool used to remove blockages in drains. Pipe, a tube through which liquid or gas can flow. Plumbing snake, a flexible auger used to remove clogs that cannot be loosened with a plunger. To unclog, the action of removing a blockage. Try to make sentences with these words. For example, the drain in my kitchen sink is clogged, so I need to unclog it. Now, let's learn how to express the problem. When you notice that the water is not going down the drain properly, you might say, "I think the drain is clogged. The water isn't draining properly." When asking for help or explaining the situation, you could say, "Can you help me unclog the drain? The sink is blocked again. I guess I need to use the plunger." When talking about the process of unclogging the drain, you might say, "I'm trying to use the plunger to unclog the drain. I might need to use a plumbing snake if the clog is too stubborn. I managed to clear the clog. The water is flowing freely now." If the problem persists, you might need to call a plumber. Here's how to describe your problem. "I've tried to unclog the drain, but it's still blocked. Can you send a plumber to check my drains? I think there's a serious clog." We've covered the basics of talking about unclogging drains in English. Remember, this is not just about learning new vocabulary. It's about understanding the context in which these words and phrases are used. I hope this lesson will be helpful when dealing with real-life situations involving home maintenance. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.